What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And we run around today and all of that, but it's an update video, man, because we got some new parts in, a new part in, I should say. So it's actually in. I'm just getting y'all the intro. So we're gonna jump to the next clip, and then I'm finna head and do my racing gas run, man. Y'all know I get racing gas every week. And it's crazy how people acting over this fuel and stuff, man. People wouldn't panic so much, man. You wouldn't have this stuff happen. Like, Stop feeding what these people tell y'all on that TV, man. That's why I don't watch TV. I really don't. I do not watch TV. So, man, you know, it's just crazy. I don't sweat it like that, man. I don't sweat it. I use racing gas in 93 anyway. So we're gonna get some racing gas and all that, and I'm show y'all the part we got in, and stay tuned. All right, y'all, so y'all see it. Look at this. It's a big boy part right here, boy. I ain't know it gonna come like this. Wifey was here to get it, cause I mean, I had to go pick up Tina from school, but man, I don't even want to open it, honestly. I mean, I will probably open it whenever Brady get here, come back, cause I'm gonna have some help putting this on thing here. But it's a quarter panel, like this a whole quarter panel for a G body. It's a Monte Carlo quarter panel. I went ahead and bought a whole new quarter, man, for a car, just so we make sure it right, make it easy, man. I just went ahead and just boom. So yes, you can buy whole quarter panels, man. And that's what this is. This is a whole quarter panel. You gotta do cut it out, weld it in. And it's gonna be good to go. We got the new fender. So pretty much that whole entire driver's side gonna be new minus the door. I hope he can make the door fit. Cause I ain't been able to find no doors brand new, but you know, if I can find a door brand new, I'll get there too. But we got the quarter panel in, man. Said, I don't know, I told Brady he probably have to pull up. We probably load on his truck. Like I said, I would need help loading this thing up. And I don't think it's really just heavy. It's just called, it's a regular shape and it's a big box. So you got to have some help. And it's on the pallet too. So, you know, yeah, it ain't that heavy. I don't know, it might be. I don't know. But man, he said he gonna pull up. We'll put it on his truck. He can take it with him and all that. So we got the quarter panel in, man, for the Monte Carlo. So we're gonna move forward with the paint job and all that good stuff, you know. Get that thing ready. So yeah, man, let's get on the road, man. Go get some racing gas and all that. Y'all gotta go by the bank and all that. I'll tell y'all why. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it. I don't know if the wind blowing the camera now, but y'all see, man, we back in the old Denali. Picked it up. We been riding, man. Yeah, been doing some riding. Said I had to pick up Cuzzo, cause I was in Wifey Escalade. Came down here. We picked up Cuzzo. I got the racing gas, about 15 gallons. And what else we did? Went to the bank. Then picked up Cuzzo. He drove the Escalade home. We went back to the house, and we just coming back. They dropped him off, so now we heading back in the Escalade. I mean, not Escalade, the Denali. Denali right, man. Aunt got this thing right. Drive like it's supposed to. New A-arm on here. Got the alignment done, man. Shout out to 4 Barrel. Over at the Napa Care Center, Monroe, Georgia, get me right. He got some bad hot rod too, man. I might get him on a vlog, man. I got it number. I might do a vlog with him so y'all can see. He been racing a long time. Got some clean car too though. But yeah, man, we headed back to the crib, you know. Just been looking at all the gas stations, people going crazy. It's on here wild, boy. It's on wild, boy, I'm telling you. When we get back, man, we might bust that quarter panel out, man. Cause I don't like that big box anyway. We might just go and bust it out and just lean it up somewhere. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, it's the next day, man. I ain't do too much, man. I didn't want to just give y'all no vlog and just showing y'all a quarter panel and all that. So And I still ain't dropped it off. So what I'm about to do now, hop in old Rhythm and Blues, and we gonna head to Lawless Streetcar. I'm gonna drop this thing off. Cause I'm about to be gone. This weekend. I gotta watch out, man. Snakes been moving, boy. Been moving out here. But I got to be gone the weekend, so I'm finna take both of the whips over there to Lawless. I'm probably gonna take John Jones to the track today. If I do, y'all will get that in another vlog. But I'm finna take Rhythm and Blues over there. Call Jesse lock it up for me. And all that. And if he have time, he can go ahead and switch that two-step over. And put it on the T-handle I got. With the button, the B&M button handle. Y'all saw that in another vlog. Man, I ain't drove this thing. Shit. Probably about a week. Longer than that, I don't know. I ain't even crunked this thing up. That's the thing, I ain't even been messing with none of these cars. That's why I ain't been recording, man. Cause I ain't been doing that. But really all the content, y'all, we waiting on Big Dolo to come back. Cause you know we got the wheels to put on and all type of stuff. So I'm gonna get to going, man. I gotta hurry up and get over there so Wifey can pick me up. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, fire old Rhythm and Blues up. I'm guessing she got some gas in her. I usually try to keep some gas in my vehicles anyway. I never know when I'm gonna hop in them, gonna take off. So she got some gas in her, I'm glad. These folks been going crazy over the gas. Which I said I really don't kill, man. Don't bother me, no, honestly. I'm gonna get some gas. If all else fail, man, we'll drive these cars. That's what I like about having a true street car. I let Wifey drive the Cutlass, and I drive on the Camaro or Big Dolo. I can drive either one of them. So that's what I like about having these hot rods you can drive, man. Gas will be more expensive, so I ain't worried about it. So I put some racing gas in these things and take off, and we'll keep rolling. Ain't nobody buying the racing gas. But yeah, man, we're gonna get over here to Lawless, man. Then I'm gonna check in with y'all. Alright, y'all see it, man. And then y'all hear old Rhythm and Blues from the outside while I turn off and all that. Over here at Lawless, man. Just said I'm cool if I leave it over here, man. I'll call him later, man. Tell him about that T-handle right there. That's what I'm telling y'all. Get that thing switched over. If he got time, if he don't, it's cool. But yeah, man, I'm finna go out here in the front, see a Wife here, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it, man. We got Mr. Jones front up. About to drive this thing down to the track. I don't know if I'm gonna run it or not today. I don't know. We'll see. But we're finna take this little ride, man, and go down here to Headhunter Dragway and see what they got going on. Then I gotta be in Alabama tomorrow. Which will be Friday and Saturday. Back in Georgia Sunday, man. I've been on the move. Been on the move, y'all. Been working. Whole lot going on. But y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see we're headed to Headhunter Dragway, man. On the way. Man, I found me some 93. Oh man, I need it. But I got a can of race gas in the back. Y'all know I stay on go, man. Don't even matter. We prepared to run out of gas. Y'all know that. Man, what a problem. 3 pounds of boost. I ain't got no CO2 on right now. But we about there, man. We about at the track, y'all. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get there. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. We made it down here, good little trip. Like I said, man, I'm finna probably go ahead and pour about 3 gallons of this racing gas in here. Top it off, or whatever called. Pulled up at another gas station. They talking about limit on 93 and all of that. But man, we're gonna take this. We're gonna take old John Jones over there to Lawless tomorrow too, cause man, at the house, it's a lot of work about to get done. Well, we about to get that shed underpin, y'all. So y'all, I'm gonna be filming it. Well, I'm gonna film when it's over with, cause they coming over the weekend. So we're gonna get that underpin and get that done and stuff. So I'm gonna be filming that process and stuff. So we're gonna take this over there so we can have the driveway clear and all of that. And I won't have to keep moving these cars day by day. So That's what it is. We're gonna take John Jones, and y'all see Rhythm and Blues already over there. So we're gonna take this one over there tomorrow. So I ain't got it, like I said, I ain't gotta keep moving them back and forth, man. Meech stay where he at. They can get around like that. So that's what we got going on. Y'all see we got the quarter pounder and all that. Man, let me go ahead and put the gas in here while I'm talking to y'all. Told y'all that's how you do, man. You keep the Renegade in the funnel with you. This what stay in John Jones, man. Keep my little nut, my racing little nut. Keep my little wrenches now, and then my helmet. I keep a helmet in every vehicle, man. I got one for Big Dolo too, and one for Meech. So the truck sound good. Shop bed sound good right there. Hard time. Yeah, man, we finna go ahead and pour a little 3 gallons of this in there, man. Like I said, I got a whole bunch. Y'all know I keep it. I keep inventory. Then Dolo, y'all remember we dropped Dolo out, we sent 10 gallons down there. We sent 10 gallons down there with Dolo, 112. And then I had a 5-gallon pail of 116 for the fuel cell and whatever left. I'm just gonna bring back. So we're gonna pour 3 gallons of this in there. I might pour the whole thing, man. A little fume be coming in there, boy. They be rough. So get this in there, man. We're gonna see what pull up. Ain't nothing pulled up so far. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. We checking in, man. We checking in. Stand. Right here. Monte Carlo. They coming on in here now, y'all. It's just been cool. Let me get off over here, man, so y'all get that copyright. Y'all see it? FS. Kill. Coming on in there. Mustang. Yeah, man. Y'all see it? So, man, in a minute. This is gonna pop off in a minute, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it, man. SS. The Montos up there. The gold thing, man. Frank. Up there. Clean, man. Ed10, man. DTR in the building. Dog over there in the Cutlass. Yeah, man, might go down, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it, man. Gonna follow that thing hidden.
I spin in the wheelchair.
Got the thing hidden, boy. Not Impala, I said Impala, y'all. It's Caprice. Oh, Caprice, man. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see what it looking like out here. Ambulance took a long time to come, man. Got LGR about to make a shakedown and all that. A little light night tonight, man. See, it got cool out here, man. I done left my coat. I'm talking about they got super cold, man. I left my coat out here, man. I'm probably finna go ahead and ride, man. So, cause it ain't too much going on today, man. But you know, we pulled out the Western Line, we pulled out John Jones and stuff, man. I'm gonna get that car put up and all that good stuff. Hit the road, cause we gotta be in Alabama tomorrow. So y'all just stay tuned.